Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and refreshing Vietnamese chicken noodle salad. This Vietnamese chicken vermicelli is light, refreshing, and packed with so much flavor. The chicken is marinated and grilled to perfection, and the noodle salad is drizzled with a sauce that you're definitely going to love. So let's get started. Here I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to go ahead and slice them in half. You can use chicken breasts, but I found that chicken thighs work really well with this recipe. Place it in a bowl and we're gonna marinate it with 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of lime or lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix everything until it's well combined. We're gonna marinate this in a refrigerator for a few hours or up to overnight. I usually like to do this the night before, which is what I did for this video. The dressing ingredients are pretty similar to the marinade. Mix 1/4 cup of fish sauce with 1/4 cup of lime or lemon juice, 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 minced garlic cloves, and this is optional, crushed red pepper flakes or some minced Thai chilies. Mix until well combined. I know we have a lot of strong flavors in this dressing, but trust me, this is going to taste so delicious on our salad. Here I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to remove it from heat and add in 1 8.8 ounce box of thin rice noodles. You can use whatever brand you prefer, but I'll leave the one I used in a link below. You can find them at your Asian market or at the Asian section of your local grocery store. You want to just let them sit in the hot water until they're hydrated. This will take about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, go ahead and rinse it with cold water. Now we're going to cook the chicken. You could cook this on a pan or grill pan over the stove, but I usually like to grill them up. It makes cleaning a lot more easier. I'm going to cook this about 6 minutes per side until the chicken is nice and cooked through. My kids really love this marinade. The chicken came out so flavorful. You can even just serve this over some rice. Don't forget to watch until the end to see my son's reaction to the taste test. You could totally add whatever you desire with this salad. I usually like some romaine lettuce, cilantro, and some jalapenos. Now it's time to assemble. Some other suggestions that you could add are some carrots, bean sprouts, and some cucumbers. But I typically don't go crazy with all the additions. I kind of just like to keep it simple. And I love that my family loves this dish because not only is it tasty, it's healthy. My husband said it's really refreshing, and both him and my older son went back for seconds. And here's the finished product that I can't wait to eat. I've cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces, and I'm gonna mix everything up. Cheers! So good. Yummy? Yummy? Your thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.